Major American stocks look soft in pre-market trading. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNS, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The open for Microsoft looks like it will be lower, and therefore I think you've got a situation where traders are looking to find buyers on dips. And I do think that the $400 level is an area where you would expect to see a lot of resistance um, come into the picture offering support. The 200-day EMA right around $408 level is important. And we also have the previous uptrend line that I think all comes into the picture. So on a dip, I would expect to see Microsoft come uh, into an area eventually that people will look at this as a value. Meta looks like it's going to drop a bit in the early hours, and now I think you've got a situation where we may have to test the 50-day EMA, possibly even the 200-day EMA after that. There is a gap that extends down to the $550 level, and as a result, I think you've got a situation where traders will continue to look at this through the prism of a market that's trying to reestablish itself. But we still have a long way to go before we truly recapture the previous uptrend line. I do think there's more of a buy on the dip mentality out there, though. Google is going to open lower, right back to where it had gapped from a couple of days ago. Ultimately, I think we've got a situation where Google is trying to form a bit of a base around the $150 level. And over time, I would fully anticipate that holds. The 200-day EMA sits around the $169 level, offering resistance. And if we can break above there, then the market could go looking to the $187.50 level. That being said, though, there is a lot of risk aversion out there, and therefore I think it makes sense that Google would continue to suffer at the hands of that as well. Ultimately, this is a market that I think is in the process of trying to form a basing pattern. My name's Chris. I work for our FXEmpire. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more analysis.